Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. In this video tutorial I'm going to continue the series of tutorials in regard to relationship between array and pointer. This time I'm going to do an application which will demonstrate how a pointer can get the access of each element of an array using a address operator. So let's start this application. I'm going to declare here an integer array named A, which will be assigned by 5 values. So let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, semicolon. On the next line I'm going to declare an integer pointer named P, and here I'm going to use this for loop which will help me to go through to the entire array. To do so I'm going to declare an integer variable I assigned by 0, semicolon. I must be less than 5 because this array A has 5 elements, as you can see, semicolon. And to the end of this for loop I'm going to use this increment operator I plus plus, which actually will make this for loop to go through to the entire array A. Curly brackets, and here inside this for loop curly brackets I'm going to assign the pointer P by each element of A array using this address operator, the name of array, square brackets, and here inside these brackets this variable I, which represent an index for this array A, semicolon. And on this line I'm going to use this cout object to display in a console the entire content of this array using the P pointer, using a dereferenced pointer. So I'm going to use this indirection operator, so the name of pointer P, and double quotes, because I want the content of this array A to be displayed in a console horizontal. And here outside of this for loop I'm going to use again cout object to display in a console a new line using this end line, a empty new line actually, to make a bit space between the result of this application and the text which is displayed in console. Okay, so let's run this application. Let's see what we get in console. Okay, so here is the result of this application. Actually, this is the content of this array A, the value which this array was assigned, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is it. You have seen how a pointer can get the access of each element of an array. Actually, the pointer will get the address of each individual element of the array using this address operator before the name of the array, as you have seen in this application. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.